Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you become the best gamer you can be. Today we're going to be talking about Fortnite, a game that has taken the gaming world by storm. Whether you're a seasoned player or a complete beginner, this guide is for you. Section 1. What is Fortnite? Fortnite is a free-to-play battle royale game that pits 100 players against each other in a last-man-standing fight for survival. You can play alone or with friends, and the game is available on multiple platforms, including PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Section 2. How to play Fortnite. First, let's talk about the basics of playing Fortnite. The objective is simple: stay alive and be the last player or team standing. Players start by jumping out of a bus and parachuting onto an island where they must scavenge for weapons, resources, and other supplies to help them survive. Section 3. Controls and settings. One of the keys to success in Fortnite is mastering the controls and settings. Customizing your controls and settings to your preference can give you a big advantage in the game. We recommend experimenting with different settings until you find what works best for you. Section 4. Landing spots and loot. Knowing where to land and where to find the best loot is critical in Fortnite. In this section, we'll go over some of the best landing spots and loot locations to give you a head start in the game. Section 5. Building and editing. Building and editing are two of the most important skills to master in Fortnite. In this section, we'll cover the basics of building and editing structures to help you gain the high ground and outmaneuver your opponents. Section 6. Strategies and tips. Finally, we'll wrap up with some general strategies and tips for success in Fortnite. From mastering the storm to staying aware of your surroundings, we'll cover everything you need to know to dominate in this game. Conclusion. Thanks for watching our ultimate Fortnite guide for beginners. We hope this video has helped you become a better player and given you the tools you need to succeed in Fortnite.